In this video, you'll learn how to import a wallet in Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to access your existing wallets securely and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google search engine by entering www.com in the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can search for the Trust Wallet extension. Next, type Trust Wallet extension into the Google search bar and press enter. After the search results load, locate the appropriate link to the Trust Wallet extension. Click on it to access the extension page. Once on the extension page, look for the option to add it to your browser and follow any prompts to complete the installation. After installing the extension, find the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Trust Wallet interface. Once the wallet opens, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you will see the Settings option. Click on Settings to proceed. Once the Settings menu appears, look for the Manage Wallet option within the list. Click on Manage Wallet to access the wallet management features. This section allows you to add or import existing wallets. After entering the wallet management section, find and click on the mnemonic option. This will enable you to input your secret recovery phrase or private key for the wallet you wish to import. Click on Add New Wallet to continue with the wallet import process. When prompted, select the option that states, I already have a wallet. This indicates that you are importing an existing wallet rather than creating a new one. Next, you will be prompted to select the type of wallet you are importing, such as one from MetaMask or another provider. Following your selection, you will see a message that instructs you to import using your secret recovery phrase or private key. Make sure you have this information readily available as it is essential for the next step. Now, type in your wallet address accurately in the designated input field. Ensure that there are no mistakes, as incorrect entries can lead to failed imports. After entering the wallet address, locate and click on the Import button to finalize the process. Once you click Import, the system will process your request and provide confirmation once the wallet has been successfully imported. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the wallet data, this may take a few moments. Make sure to verify that the wallet appears correctly in your Trust Wallet interface after the import is complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.